Hello, should I pay taxes on dividends from swing trades? Yes. When you are calculating your estimated tax on your swing trade profits, once you gather your quarterly swing trade profit, it's good to gather your quarterly dividend income as well, so that you have the total income you earn on and apply your estimated rates on it to calculate the estimated tax to pay for that quarter. Today we are going to analyze GPN as of August 27, 2026. So when we are looking at GPN here, we have this support line that we chose to buy at, and when we look at where the price is right now, we are on a maximum monthly chart. The price is close to where we want to buy it, but it has not touched it yet. And when we look at the past, it came closer to the line than this time. So for that reason, we are waiting to see if it's going to touch it so that we can buy some share. And if the price is close to there than it is to the all-time highest price, our selling zone. So close to the buying zone than it is to the selling zone. And the second thing is, all-time highest price was far in the past, 2021. We have the date on the x-axis from the past to the present, and the price on the y-axis from $0 up. So I like to consider stocks like this like slow moving, slow growing, because we do have, this support line that is tilted, and it took years to be done cleaning up, and it's taking years to climb down. So I don't want to buy anywhere where it is now and then it will come back down. So therefore we are just going to continue observing it. Is now the best stocks for the strategy we use to swing trade. Is not the best stocks for in the sense that it's more like an investment type of stocks, and I would prefer to wait to buy it right at that line than buy it that far above it. So it's like $92 now, when around this line is like 40. So that is pretty much almost $50 difference there, 50, yeah. So that a difference there. So we are just going to continue observing it, and in case we will buy it, because it's not really, and even if we will buy it, we might just buy few shares and just have then the portfolio target is an investment type of stocks, in the sense that it can take years again to be done going up, before we sell it. So thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm Afiavi, and on our channel we share different ways to save money, different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Start small, and slowly but surely you'll get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share my learning experience here with you, so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type and your risk tolerance, and use them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, because we have over 200 videos in this series, will you please check the playlist How to Start Swing Trading Step by Step Using Long Uptrend Lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store, Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bags or cloth napkins, will you please check our online store, Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.